Hey, I am outside my warehouse real quick with a little thrift store haul here. But the important thing, or the most interesting thing, is in this box right here, or this bag, I guess. The box in the bag, yank it off, you can see it's an old Monopoly game, which are relatively common at thrift stores, right? And when you look at it, you don't exactly know how old it is. And there are some Monopoly sets that are older than others and worth more than others. If it's before 91, it'll say Parker Brothers. If it's afterwards, it'll say Hasbro, because they acquired Parker Brothers in 91. But beyond that, on the cover, we don't really see any indicating markers. We have to go inside for that. Kind of sucks here. They put the price. I paid $1.91 for this. This set is from 1961, and I guess you can actually see it right here. On the board, you can see 35, 46, 61. Those are the copyrights. 35 was the original copyright, although that is not the original history of the game. Monopoly was actually invented in 1903 by a woman named Elizabeth McGee. It was called the Landlord's Game, but that's, off topic. Charles Darrow, no relation to Clarence, I don't think, is the one who sold this version of the game to the Parker Brothers. He actually made the original on the back of a tablecloth in 1935 in the midst of the Great Depression. But when you open it up, you can see this is how it looks. Again, there's no indicators here, but just like on the exterior of the box, we see the same dialogue, or the same writing, not dialogue, the same inscriptions, registered, it's patented, 35, 46, 61 by Parker Brothers, made in USA. It's got all the great, nostalgic colors and tiles and look to it. You open it up here more, you can see, again, there's no dating on any of this, although the cards are going to say 36, which is the original copyright. You can't really tell what it is, and then again, you want to look for all of the little icons too. These almost look like they've been replaced. You can tell that by the thimble, I believe, is the one that's been removed. There has been a little update for the newer Monopoly games, and what you can do when you want to sell these is you can sell them piece by piece. The boards go for about $10 if they're the old vintage boards. The money goes for about $5, $6, $7. The cards go for a couple bucks. Same with these as well. All together, the whole set, if you parcel it up, you can get $20, $30 for it. But if you want to sell it as one piece, one individual set, you're looking at about $10 to $15 on eBay, and then a little more on Etsy, and then probably close to that on like OfferUp as well. Just kind of a fun little video. If you want to see the rest of the haul, this stuff here, I'm not going to go over it in the video because there's just there's not a lot of stuff there. It's mostly plush animals in here, plush dolls, some vintage t-shirts, and a PlayStation 2 wired Guitar Hero guitar. I'm going to put these in the Patreon page with screenshots and all that, so you can see the actual value and where I'll be selling these plush dolls. Little spoiler, the 3 of these are worth $100 on Amazon. Pretty crazy, right? But again, this is a Monopoly video. Hope this information was useful to you. I paid, again, $1.91 for it. I'll sell it for probably $15. Mostly I bought just to show you guys how to date these games if you're at garage sales, for example. If you like the video, I encourage you to subscribe, like, comment, tell me what you want to know, and hopefully you can find some 61 or even a 46 or a 35 and make some money.